Michelle from Quantum Financial Solutions. My role within Quantum is a Client Service Manager. The last 3 to 4 years I've been working in financial planning. I've worked with a lot of advisors in a few different companies. I also have a diploma in management and I'm highly experienced within financial planning. I have built strong and lasting relationships with Quantum's clients. I am highly customer service focused and I speak to many of our clients on a regular basis. I'm also here to assist with their financial goals and make sure that their retirement is a well-deserved holiday.